I've been waiting for the perfect watch to make this video with, and I finally have it! I got this vintage Oris the other day, and I suspect this watch hasn't been cleaned since the 90s with all this accumulated gunk. It's probably a combination of old sweat and dirt over the years. The most visibly dirty part is in the lug area, inside the hollow end links, and under the clasp. My sister recently gave me this bottle of Kurin Water, which is super ionized water. I can't tell you much about it except that it has a high level of alkalinity, but with less chemicals. Let's get started. First, I remove the bracelet from the watch. There's a lot of gunk stuck in the lug area, so I wanted to make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. Spray, 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 just enough to get it submerged. By the way, this soap dish I'm using has a lot of old soap residue. Those are the white bits you'll see later on. Shake, shake, shake. I'm just shaking it around, and this is what it looks like. While I let that soak, I'm gonna clean the watch by wiping it with tissue soaked in Kurin water. There's a lot of dirt in between the lugs. I didn't want to soak the whole watch because I'm not confident about its water resistance. Going back to the bracelet, it's been soaking for about 10 minutes. Right now, I'm using this Q-tip to wipe these away. I'm hardly using any pressure. It just glides off. This is the Kurin water mixed with dirt. Be careful when throwing this in the sink. Make sure it goes straight into the drain because it leaves a stain on the basin. It looks cleaner now, right? Let's spray that again. And there's still black stuff coming out. I'm now using an old toothbrush to get in between the links. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. After the second round, I figured it was enough, so I rinsed it under running water. After drying, here it is. The watch itself could still use some more cleaning, especially around the crystal edges, which are hard to reach. For the bracelet, it's super clean now, and I'm waiting for it to completely dry before putting it back together. Here's some before and after shots. I hope you give it a try on your older watches. You'd be surprised to see what's hiding in there. Good luck! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my content, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.